Hi, I'm Atulya, and in today's video, I'm gonna unbox my iPad. The hello. Hi, I'm Atulya, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. The cringiest introduction ever. But I can't help it because now I have a channel, and this is something that comes to my mind as soon as I open the camera. So, anyway, if you know me, we're besties. But if you're someone who's new here, hi, I'm Atulya, a soon to be 21-year-old who lives alone. And in today's video, I'm going to first make a very special announcement. And second, I think you all must have read it from the thumbnail and the title. I am going to unbox my iPad. Finally.
Finally, inner peace.
Okay, coming on to the announcement part. By saying announcement, I don't want to make it very formal, but also like I want you all guys to not cancel me if I'm not like able to keep up with the commitment. But the announcement is that October is almost here, and this is my favorite month of the year. Reason being, first, it's my birthday month. Second, क्योंकि आई लव डांडिया नवरात्रि गरबा एंड अक्टूबर में यूजुअली ये होता है. थर्ड, मेरी मम्मी की बर्थडे होती है अक्टूबर में. फोर्थ, आई दिवाली. दिवाली भी अक्टूबर में होती है. आई मीन अक्टूबर एंड नवंबर स्टार्टिंग, लाइक सो आई लाइक दिस period. And third नहीं, fifth. The fifth one is because I love this transition period. Like ये जो change हो रहा होता है ना, like ऐसा लगता है सर्दियाँ आ रही हैं. I love this feeling.
Oh my god. I get it.
So overall, I mean, this is the favorite time of the year. So I have decided to, start a series, the birthday series, I would say. And this is going to be the first episode of that series. So I'm kind of very excited. Anyway, coming on to the unboxing part. So, like, after watching hundreds and thousands of videos on YouTube, finally it's my turn to unbox something. So, I'm like kind of very excited and nervous and happy, most importantly, because I've made it. I'm so proud of myself. So, and the worst part is कि मुझे खुशी के आंसू नहीं आते. पता नहीं लोगों को, या टीवी सीरियल्स में मैंने देखा है लोगों को खुशी के आंसू आते हैं.
देखो मैं रो नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं खुशी में मेरे आंसू निकल रहे हैं.
मुझे नहीं आते. मुझे बिना बात के रोना आता है, वो मैं कर सकती हूँ. एनीवे, सो आई एम काइंड ऑफ एक्साइटेड एंड या आई थिंक बहुत बोल लिया मैंने, बहुत पका लिया. एंड थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग. आई लव यू गाइज. So yeah, let's shift the focus from here to the beauty. Beauty. I mean, not this, to the beauty. I mean, I haven't like touched it yet. I just hope कि सब कुछ अच्छे से हो, क्योंकि फिर वो रिटर्न वाला बहुत झमेला हो जाता है. So I'm basically going to open it. Okay, so this is going to be the most chaotic and unaesthetic unboxing ever you like ever find on the YouTube.
Yay!
Okay. Oh. Okay, पहले बॉक्स देख लेते हैं. So they have this. coming on to this. The hello. हेलो। नाउ पहले इसको सेटअप कर लेते हैं। इंग्लिश। अफगानिस्तान करूं? नहीं, इंडिया। Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Okay, let's check the camera.
Huh?
Should we also click a picture? Yay! No, you cannot fall. तो आज सुबह मेरे को ये पेंसिल भी रिसीव हो गई एंड दिस इज़ नॉट एप्पल पेंसिल, दिस इज़ फ्रॉम अमेजॉन बेसिक्स. द रीज़न इज़ दैट इट्स क्वाइट चीपर. ऑल्सो लाइक इट डज़ द वर्क. बहुत लोगों से मैंने पूछा एंड देर इज़ नो लाइक देर इज़ नॉट अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू, बट प्राइस का है, सो आई वेंट फॉर दिस वन. I am done setting it up completely and I cannot wait to actually like use it, especially to draw on my thumbnails. So you guys be aware, like be ready to bear with my shitty doodling and art because I'm not very good at it, but yeah, I'm kind of excited. And about the accessories, इसकी पेंसिल एंड स्क्रीन गार्ड कल आ जाएगा एंड द कवर वो 1-2 दिन में आएगा. And I think that is the need for the hour, especially the screen protector, because I don't trust myself at all in this regard, and you know I'm very clumsy, so that is really important. तो 1-2 दिन मेरे को कुछ ज़्यादा ही इसको बचा के रखना पड़ेगा. And secondly, before I actually like leave, I want to say that see, this is not to glorify my achievements or something. This video is basically feels like a pat on my back. So like whenever I feel like quitting or whenever like I'll be disappointed, I'll just look at the video and be like, you know, you have done this, you have. So there's a lot to achieve, so just keep going. Okay. And yeah, also like I used to watch so many unboxing videos throughout the internet, so I thought, yeah, now this is finally my chance to do it. Also, this is going to be my 21st birthday gift. Yeah, because I decided to gift myself something जो मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा टाइम तक यूज़ कर पाऊँ, ना कि कुछ भी ऐसे बच्चों टाइप, I don't know whatever, like मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ मुझे खुद ही नहीं पता, सब कुछ ओवरलैप कर रहा है. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you later.
Sha la la la, sha la